Hello everyone. From now on, I'm basically going to look like a weirdo every time I come on camera. It's raining outside, so there might be some noise in the video, but I need to wash off my scabs, so I need to take this time and record because I have to wash this. This is not the first wash. I washed it yesterday, but I wanted to share how I proceed with washing my scabs and the sutures, as some people may have some of the questions. So after the procedure, the doctor was giving me the information and I did ask him. They gave me a pamphlet and then they also emailed me post-procedure instructions, and I also asked the doctor which shampoo would he recommend. The doctor did say I can use baby shampoo or I can use a Dove shampoo, and he did say the Dove shampoo, a moisturizing Dove shampoo would be great. I didn't have any Dove shampoo, so I did go to Target and I picked up this one right here. This says Daily Moisture Shampoo for normal and dry hair. So I'm sitting low because the instructions is also to not let the water just bead up on the transplanted area. I was instructed to take a cup and then just pour the water over gently, but me trying to be extra, I decided to just use the opportunity and do the bucket wash. If you're from anywhere in Togo or somewhere in Africa, you might be familiar with a bucket wash. It's basically a bucket like this, and it has something like this where you scoop the water and pour it in your head. So basically, I was instructed to wash my hair 1 to 2 times a day with lukewarm water, and then by doing a gentle massage. Basically like as if you're washing a newborn baby's hair, by gently massaging it and not forcing it. If there's any bleeding, that's a sign of being too harsh on the hair, but hopefully we're not going to have any bleedings. I did it yesterday, there was no bleeding, so I should be fine today. And also after the shampoo, there should be no conditioners added to it, and it should be left to air dry. Let's get to it. So the sutures should also be washed because it will make the removal of the stitches easier when it comes to time, because if you don't wash it, they might be built up and the removal might be a little bit more complicated. So this is the thing, I'm going to be washing the suture line and then the scabs daily. But however, my own hair on top right here, I'm not going to wash it daily because my hair is already naturally dry, and I'm not going to constantly put, water in here. So I'm sure some water is going to get to it, but I will actually wash it and shampoo it like every 5 days. But however, I do know the hair at the back of my head will always get wet every time I wash my sutures. But that's the best I can do for now. So everyone have to find their own technique.